You shouldn't be afraid to tell me anything.
What a strange being you are. God knows where I would be if you hadn't found me sitting all alone.
Of course she still likes you.
A dumb screenshot of
She'll always like you.
Watch how a cold, broken teen will
As friends.
desperately lean on a superglued human of proof.
Just
What
friends.
the hell would I be without you? The hell would I be? Brave face talk so long.
She made a big mistake.
Hide the truth, the truth. 'Cause I'm sick of losing soulmates.
Because I know
So
you'll
where
always
do
in there
we
to protect
begin?
us.
I can finally see you're as fucked up as me, so how do we win? Yeah, I'm sick of losing
Because I know that when a
soulmates.
guy risks his life for you,
Won't be alone
you should be
again.
grateful.
I can finally see you're as fucked up as me, so how do we win? We will grow old as friends. I've promised that before, so what's one more in our grey-haired circle waiting for the end? Time and hearts will wear us thin. So which path will you take? 'Cause we both know a break does exactly what it says on the tin.
Stop thinking.
What the hell would I be without you? The hell would I be?
This is really hard.
Brave face talk so lightly. Hide the truth, the truth. 'Cause I'm sick of losing soulmates. So where do we begin? I can finally see you're as fucked up as me, so how do we win? Yeah, I'm sick of losing soulmates. Won't be alone again. I can finally see you're as fucked up as me, so how do we win?
It was much easier to blame you.
I won't take no for an answer.
So I pushed you away.
I won't take no for an answer.
Everything.
I won't take no. No, I won't take no. 'Cause I'm sick of losing soulmates. So where do we begin? I can finally see you're as fucked up as me, so how do we
It's
win?
okay.
Yeah, I'm sick of losing soulmates. Won't be alone again. I can finally see you're as fucked up as me, so how do we win?